family reunion time. Gonna have a pool set up out there to go and pool around, I guess. It's a bit balmy. It's like 80 some degrees and a little muggy too. I'm gonna live the rich life, the best life. To further increase our comfort, we are going to put a fan.
Stretching the 2x4 because it's not long enough on the one end.
Oh.
Having trouble there?
I am certainly having trouble here. Thanks for asking. Now we are pretty much set. It looks a little bit on the ghetto side, but it will look pretty in the dark because of our nifty, awesome rope lights. Right, Lynn?
Right.
Right.
Zip tie.
Zip tie. God bless you.
We're gonna lift it up. There's David standing on the table, going up the ladder, and we're gonna clamp this side. Getting heavy?
Yeah.
Curious what they would charge her though.
Should have brought jackets, my goodness.
Oh, I need sunglasses now.
Too bright! Stop it! Turn it off!
Follow your instincts.
Those are white, actually.
Yeah.
Well, I don't see that in it.
What you think?
Good one.
Is that high speed? Probably 30.
Oh, maybe got another one. I just missed Mavericks. I wonder where they're taking the bird.
I don't know, but
They're carrying it on a base. Oh goodness, yeah. You're making me a little nervous.
Every time I... Oh my word.
In other news, Angie looks really short next to those guys.
You got how many? I'm practicing.
Gonna have some buggy rides.
What do you think, Grace?
Bumpy?
It is. You're right.
Yeah.
Are you holding on?
Yeah.
I'm holding on to your neck.
Ah! This is fun. Yeah.
What if we fall out?
Boys, the horse's name is Biddy.
Biddy?
Biddy.
Ready?
see that man out there? He's working the field with his horses.
Cool. This is relaxing, huh? Why are we going so slow? That's kind of cool, huh?
Connie is so happy to have some animals around. Baby's holding her nose. What are you doing? Oh, it goes right over. No backboard. Trying to hold hands, and I guess Tess gets in on it too.
You hold her back.
David made this can game. Can Smash or something? I don't remember what it's called. My mom is out there playing a rousing game of dodgeball with all the kids.
Here we go. 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 Here we go.
How do you do that?
Oh.
You can move them.
I feel like there's a lot of cheating going on out there.
Absolutely none that's happened so far.
Family reunion. And guess what we're doing?
Our favorite thing ever.
Yep. We're eating again. That's what happens at family reunions.
Really thinking I should check on what these kids are doing by now. These little punks are throwing things at me. What do you think is gonna happen if you hit me?
I feel like you can really easily tip it back.
Go for it, babe. Say that.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but if you just let off the gas, maybe it breaks.
It's the good posture section. We're gonna display our athleticism. kids style. Ready, go!
Sir.
Ooh!
That was interesting.
I was going through the camera. What's the, is this like hot potato or?
Oh, it's kind of like ping pong.
Oh yeah. Oh.
We are not good at this.
Oh, you hit it. There she goes, she's bouncing it.
I love that one.
I think she thinks it's a little too high up there. Whoa! The talent!
I thought I was going to call these trash. Oh, yeah!
Brother David was there in attendance, but he didn't get any words to say. I don't know why Brother David didn't get a word to say, because sometimes Brother David gets all wound up when he starts preaching. Oh, I have a word for you. Where there's a 3-cord strand, it cannot be easily broken. And when you come together in matrimony under that cord, oh, and I see it. I see a sailboat. I see a sailboat on the Florida coast. Oh, they're sailing up the coast of Maine. Oh, there's fishing, and there's a gigging, and there's fishing and gigging. Oh, I feel it now. Can somebody say, come on? Come on now. Oh, here's another word. Oh, cast your nets upon the water, and ye shall catch fish. Oh, which makes me think, you're going to Florida, you get big fish in Florida. But I tell you, I'm troubled, children. Oh, I said I'm troubled, children. Oh, because they're here and going to Florida. They're leaving the promised land of Kentucky. Oh, I tell you, children, you start leaving the Kentucky hills, you're going to get into places that aren't good for you. Oh, the green fields. The green fields are rolling on the hills. Makes me think of waves. When I think of waves, I think of Florida. When I get seasick. Oh, is there matrimony coming for other people? I do not know. I said there's a word for everybody in this family. Come on. Oh, but I gotta calm down. Oh, let me bless you. Oh, I got another word. Come on. Cars. Cars make me think of Florida. When I think of Florida, you can't go anywhere in cars. There's so many traffic jams. You better stay in Kentucky, children.
It's like I'm going to glug a beer. Like,
Oh, sure, he stops snoring right when I turn to the camera. Oh, hi.
Are you kidding me, dude?
Winner takes all. Whoever catches it, right?
It's over here, guys. Were there two?
You got a failure. It didn't.
I know, I see that.
It's still hot.
I don't think I've ever seen a fireworks display in the day before.
Oh, it's awesome.
He's like a wizard.
Hi, wizard.
I can't make him stop.
To believe amazing things are still happening.
Saying hi to you, Maverick.